You know, poverty is a mindset, right? And if you don't attack it the right way, man, you will end up giving in to it. You gotta stand up and fight for your life and what you believe in. Man, I grew up with holes in my shoes, walking to school every day, and surely didn't have food to eat. And if I can make it with the odds against me, look, you can do the same. I made a promise to myself, and listen, you gotta do the same, to never go back to being poor. Poor in mind, poor in finance, poor in family, poor in your confidence. You gotta know who you are and know you are greatness. There's nothing you can't do. Anything is possible. Not one person connected to you will ever lack for anything. You gotta put that in the atmosphere with the plan, your faith, and your perseverance. And man, look, you'll be successful, my friend. That's a promise. All right, y'all, we up in here. We in Richmond. Waffle House, downtown Richmond. Yes, sir. We dripped in all black today. You see it? Ooh. You drip. You know what I'm saying? I see them. Look at these guys. Look at these guys right here. What's wrong with them? Carshow Rell.
King Banks.
What's up, baby?
What's up, my guy?
Good, man. Y'all looking good, man. We got Carshow Rell out here. We got EJ out here, the pastor. What's going on? What's going
I
on?
was here talking to Rell, man. I kept looking. I said, hey, look familiar.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
Oh, you didn't recognize it?
I kept looking. I said, hey, he look familiar. I'm like, Pastor, man. I kept looking.
Yeah.
And he like, man, y'all for eBay? I said, that was you, man.
Yeah, man. We out here, Richmond, Virginia.
Right.
Downtown is always weird parking, no matter what city you're in. So, y'all ready to get something to eat?
Yeah, take a look at it.
Look at the bent. We're going to get it cleaned up for y'all. Look at the bent. Yeah, the bent. Carshow Rell.
Yo, live in the flesh.
This is crazy.
Live in the flesh. We out here in Richmond, baby.
Man, this is absolutely crazy, man.
Look, we out here in Richmond giving the money cause motivation vibes. I know it.
Money
MCM.
cause motivation,
MCM.
man. Out here with the fur and with the MCMs on.
Look, MCM.
You know what I'm saying?
That's all the vibes.
Yeah.
Cause motivation. Look, we trying to change some lives out here. Real talk, man. You know, it's not about just showing off cars, but we give it inspiration, we give it motivation, and we're trying to level up ourselves so that we can give back in abundance. So that's the mission. That's the mission. We're going to do it the right way. We're going to give back, man. We're going to give back for sure.
For sure, man. Evapors. Hey, we at the I-8, man. Yes, sir. You know the proper way to do the I-8. The spaceship, you always got to open the doors up on the spaceship. You got to keep the doors open on a spaceship. It is a little, I just seen a little bit of dust on it. Yeah, she got a little dust from the road. They do come true. They come true, G. The dreams come true, man. Come on now.
Proud of you, boy.
Hey.
Yeah, get out this thing. Good God.
Put your feet on the ground and stay low. There you go, stay low. Stay low. Well, I tell folks, put your feet on the ground, stay low, you'll be all right. All right, y'all, we about to hit the car wash up. Man, I got my boy Jeter out here, man. Jeez, come on, tell the people, man.
Yo, what up? I'm here with my boy Evapors, Carshow Rell, call talk.
Tell him the I-8 is real.
What the I-8 type?
It's not rented.
Oh my goodness.
It's real. I know it was gone for a long time in the shop, but it's real. You know what I'm saying? And the Bentley is real. With my boy Carshow Rell, man. Out this joint, man. Come on.
I can't wait for Dallas, bro.
Come on, man.
We gonna pull up crazy.
Oh, we're gonna pull up crazy, man. Dallas gonna be strong.
It's the pregame right here.
It's the
pregame.
This the pregame show. Pregame warm up. All right, y'all. We in here, man. Got the Bentley right here. Carshow Rell. About to pull out here in traffic right quick. We find a spot. Man, it is cold in Richmond, Virginia today, man. No joke cold. Like, it says 32, but it feels 22. Here we go. Yeah, man. Y'all see the Bentley? Come on, man. Y'all think it's a game? No, that's Carshow Rell. Come on, man. Yeah. In the bent. And we'll get a little more vlogging in, man. You know, have a little couple, 2-3 business meetings, man. Y'all know we talking Car Talk TV, man. So, and by the time y'all watch this, I'm sure it'll be after the Don't Master interview, man. So that's gonna be pretty cool to talk to Don't Master today, well, tomorrow, and get that interview under our belt, man, with a quality individual, man, a family guy, and just the leader of his industry, man. I think he'll tell you that. He don't call himself the Don't Master for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Well, we just enjoying life today, man. That's what it's about, man. Just enjoying life, having fun, you know, with friends, colleagues, and I got my boy Jeter. Shout out to JRock757, man. That's how y'all probably know him, man. If y'all see him in the Car Talk TV chat, man. JRock757. He right here behind me in the big truck. He always riding big trucks, man. Big truck style, man. Always been doing that. And he always got to ride in a black truck. Black truck or black car, man. He's very consistent with that. Very consistent, man. So let's go ahead and pull up, man, at the car wash, and we'll make it do what it do. All right, y'all, man. Y'all would not believe this, man. We got a Jaguar dealership down the street, man. He hit me up on Instagram, my man DeAndre. So we're going to swing by the Jaguar dealership and see DeAndre and pull up like that, all right? What's up, man? We out here in the street trying not to get hit. Trying not to get hit. Oh, man. And what's crazy, man, we was just talking on Instagram. I was just on Instagram, right? You know, saying, hey, I'm in Richmond, boom, 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 hashtag Richmond and everything. And I want to say I don't even know him. Like, I don't think he's been following me. He just started following me, unless he's been following without actually following. You know what I'm saying? So I said, let's go by the dealership. And I told my boy, it's me, J-Rock, and Carshow Rell. I said, it'd be some funny business. If y'all see me run over top of somebody, bloop, bloop, y'all know who it was. That was DeAndre. But real talk, man, we about to pull up out of here, man, and head over to the Jaguar dealership, man, Land Rover. It's your main man, Evapors. Y'all know what we do around here. We swipe up. All right, y'all, it's your main man, Evapors, man. We over here at Richmond Jaguar Land Rover.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, and I got my man DeAndre right here, man.
What's going on? What's going on?
Yeah, so when y'all need that luxury vehicle, y'all need to make sure y'all hit my man DeAndre at Richmond Land Rover and Jaguar, right?
Yes,
or
sir.
Jaguar Land Rover.
Jaguar Land Rover.
Jaguar Land Rover, Richmond, Virginia, man. Make sure y'all hit up DeAndre. I'm going to make sure I put his contact information in the description below.
Yes, sir.
How y'all can get up with him on social media, or how y'all can get up with him right here, so y'all can buy that next luxury vehicle right here in Richmond, Virginia, man. Y'all ready to buy a luxury car now? Come on.
Yes, sir.
DeAndre, if you out of state, call him.
Yes, sir.
He'll get the car to you now.
Yes, sir.
Believe that.
Not a problem.
If you in California and you want a car from DeAndre at a good deal, he'll get the car to you.
Check my line.
Yeah, hit his line, man. And he don't make no mistakes. God don't make no mistakes, right? Again, he found me on the hashtag Richmond, Virginia, on my way up here. So now we here. And where you say your mom live at?
Raleigh.
His moms live in Raleigh, North Carolina. Y'all know I'm from Durham, North Carolina. I live 50 minutes from Raleigh where his mom's is at. None of this stuff happened by accident, man. Sir. It's your main man, Evapors. Y'all know what we do around here.
Forward 5, forward 5, forward 5.